Hello students, I hope you are doing well. I am Pramod Chand Joshi from HMJ SP Inter College. Today we will start chapter 2 linear equation in one variable exercise 2.5 2.4. In previous video we did up to question 5. So we will start from question number 6. Question number 6 is there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for school in Mahuli Blaze. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of 100 meter, 100 per meter, 100 per rupees per meter. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Let the length and the breadth. Length and breadth are in the ratio of 11:4. 11:4. So let the length and breadth of rectangular plot equal to 11x b 11x and 4x respectively. And it is said that by the cost at the rate of 100 meter per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. To fence the plot is rectangular plot. To fence means the parameter of the plot to fence the plot at the cost of 1 meter equal to total cost. So parameter of plot equal to total cost upon cost of 1 meter. Total cost is 75,000 and cost of 1 meter is rupees 100 per meter. Rupees 100. That is parameter of the plot equal to 70. Parameter is this. Parameter we can write parameter 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So parameter is 2 into length plus breadth. We can write the parameter. And now the parameter is length is 11x. 11x because it is 11:4. So length is 11x and breadth is 4x equal to 750. 2 multiplied by 15x. 11 plus 4x 15x equal to 750. 15 to the 30x equal to 750 upon 50 and x equal to 750 upon 30. 0 से 0 cancel. 3 से divide करेंगे we will get 25. x equal to 25. X equal to 25. So length of the rectangular plot equal to 11x, that is 11 into 25, that is 25 1 is 25, 25 1 is 25 plus 2, 27 meter, 275 meter. Breadth of rectangular plot equal to 4x, that is 4 into 25, that is 100 meter. So the length and breadth are, length is 275 meter and breadth is 100 meter. These are the dimensions. Now question number 7. Hassan buys 2 kinds of clothes material for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. It means he sells shirt material at the rate of 12% and trouser material at the rate of 10% profit. And his total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? That for every 3 meter of shirt, he needs the trouser material 2 meter. So let the ratio between shirt material and trouser material be 3x ratio 2x, because for 3 meter shirt you need 1 shirt 3 meter, and for 1 shirt you need 2 meter of for trouser. Now the cost of shirt material equal to 3x. Cost will be at the rate of 50 per meter. 50 per meter, 50 multiplied by 3x, that is 150x. Now the selling price, the SP selling price at 12% gain. He sells it 12% gain, at 12% gain. 12%, the profit of the formula of selling price is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by cost price. This is the formula for finding selling price. Now 100 plus 12, because profit percent is 12 upon 100, cost price is 150 for 150x. Now this is 112 upon 100 into 150x. Now we can cancel 0 से 0, 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 ja 12. Now we will multiply by 3 and 56. 168x. Now the cost price of trouser trouser material equal to trouser material is 2x and 90 rupees per meter. 90 multiplied by 2x, that is 180x. This is cost price. The selling price, the SP selling price of trouser, selling price as 10% gain. 10% gain. Formula will be same. 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by cost price. Now 100 plus profit percent is here 10 upon 100 multiplied by cost price 168x. Sorry, it is 180x. 180x. Now 110 multiplied by 180 upon 80x upon 100. 0 से 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 11 8 ja 88. 11 8 1 ja 11 plus 8 90. 198x. These are the selling price. Now the selling price, total selling price according to question, total selling price is 168x plus 198x equal to 36,600 rupees. Now you will add 8, 8, 16, 9 plus 10, 16, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, x equal to 36,600. X equal to, you will divide by 366. Upon 366. You will cancel 366 1, 1 and 100. X equal to 100. The trouser material, now trouser material equal to 2x equal to 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200 meter. We will bought for trouser material 200 meter. Now question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Let the total number of deer in the herd, let the total number of deer in the herd be x. According to question, total number of deer, half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. Half are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining, half total herd, total deer x, and half are remaining will be this. Total deer and half are grazing in the field and remaining will be this. 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 of the remaining means x minus x by 2. 3/4 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. नजदीक में खेल रहे हैं. The rest 9 are drinking water. Rest 9 are drinking water. Find the number of deer in the herd. Find the number in the herd. So you will solve this equation. X equal to x by 2 plus 3 by 4x minus 3 by 4 into x by 2 plus 9. Now x by 2 plus 3 by 4x minus 3 by 8x plus 9. We will transpose these x into this side. X equal to x minus x by 2 minus 3 by 4x plus, this will become plus 3 by 8x equal to 9. Now we will solve. 8 is LCM and 8x 1 is 8 plus 2 4 is 8 minus 4x minus 4 2 is 6 x 8 1 is 8 plus 3x equal to 9. Now 8x plus 3x, that is 11x plus these are plus 8x plus 3x 11x, 4x plus minus 6x, these two minus 10x upon 8 equal to 9. 11x minus 10x will be x. X upon 8 equal to 9. Then x equal to, we can multiply this, cross multiply, or we will multiply both sides by 8. We will multiply both sides by 8. So 8 cancel. So x equal to 9 8 is 72. The total number of deer in the herd will be 72. Now question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. Let the age of granddaughter, let the age of granddaughter be x. Therefore, age of grandfather equal to, grandfather is 10 times, the grandfather is 10 times, so 10x, and one condition is or more, he is also 55 years older than her, 54 years older. According to question, grandfather is 54 years older than his granddaughter. So when we will add 54 to granddaughter's age, the grandfather and grandfather total will be equal. 10x equal to x plus 54. So now we will solve. 10x minus x, we will transpose x into left hand side, equal to 54. 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 upon 9. We will divide 9 both sides. By 9 both sides. X equal to 6 years. Age of granddaughter. Age of granddaughter equal to 6 years. Age of present age. This is present age. Present age. Present age. Present age. Present age of grandfather equal to 10x, that is 10 into 6, that is 60 years. Grandfather is 60 years old and granddaughter is 6 years old. Now question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. Let the present age of Aman's son, let the present age of Aman's son be x. Therefore, present age of Aman equal to 3x. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So first of all we will find the both Aman's son's age 10 years ago. 10 years ago Aman's son's age equal to x minus 10. Abhi, now you are 15 years old. 10 years ago, what will be your age? 10 years ago. 10 years ago, 5 years. 15 minus 10, that is 5. You will subtract 10. You will subtract 10. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, Aman's age is now 3x and 10 years ago minus 10. Now condition is this, according to question, Aman age ten years ago he was 5 times his son's age. His son's age is 10 years ago and he was 5 times of his son's age. So then when we will do 5 times of his son's age, it will be equal. Now we will solve the equation. 3x minus 10 equal to 5x minus 50. Now we will transpose 5x here. 3x minus 5x equal to minus 50. This, when we will transpose minus 10 into right hand side, it will become plus 10. Now 3x minus 5x minus 2x, that is minus 40. X equal to minus 40 upon minus 2, that is 20. Minus minus cancel. X equal to 20. So Aman's son's present age equal to 20 years. Aman's present age equal to 3x. 3 into x, that is 3 into 20, that is 60 years. 60 years. Aman's age will be 20 years and his father's age will be 60 years. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.